What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to replace a broken door handle on a Nissan Hardbody. Alright guys, so these are the tools you're going to need to do this job. Some kind of panel clip remover, Phillips screwdriver, and Jesus clip remover. That's for the window crank. So I'll put links to all this stuff in the description. You don't have to use this, but just me being able to have these things helps out a lot. I've done this kind of stuff for a long time, and I know it's easier when you have the right tools. Alright, so what you're gonna need is a Phillips screwdriver to take off the door pulls. Now these are new door pulls that I picked up off of eBay. They are smaller than the factory door pulls, but to me they're a bit better. And since I am going to be reupholstering the doors, the old ones couldn't be reupholstered. Alright, so then you gotta remove this, and this is just clipped on. So right. Now Jesus clip. Let me see if I can see this. Yeah, it's this way. Alright, so this thing is called a Jesus clip, because when you lose it, you're going, Jesus, where is that thing? Okay, so now this door panel has clips. If you feel you gotta pull this thing up, and in there are two 10mm screws, bolts. In there are two 10mm. You get one in through here, and the other one you get through here. See, so the clip goes in like this. You just gotta push the clip out that way, because the clip is just being held in by this. Alright, so let's put this on. Okay, so this is where I messed up. I thought that this clip and this rod was going to be a simple thing to do, but it took me over an hour to even get close to getting it in there. This is really, really difficult, and I ended up having to go have EJ do it for me because my arms were just too big and too fat to fit in there. This is really frustrating, dude. Come here, I'll show you what it is I'm talking about. You gotta look in there. You see where that tape is? The clip is on there, because actually, take that little handle off on the outside. Alright, so this is the deal. This clip, right, this has to go like this, and then the rod has to go through it, right, and it locks in here, and then this ends up going like around. The rod is bent, so it ends up going on this side, and that helps it from coming out, from not coming out, right? So because I gotta, if you see the rod, it's right there. No, look in there. See the rod that's pointing up? That rod is the issue, because I don't have. Yeah, that was my problem. I couldn't see the hole, man. Did it? Okay. Now you just gotta take the tape out. EJ made it goes into. Cool. Okay. Now. Alright guys, so as you saw, it was a total pain in the ass, and if it wouldn't have been for EJ, I would have never have got it. I would have been cussing up a storm. I would have probably broke something, and I would have got way out of control. So I'm gonna be straight up. If you're fat like I am, you have a hard time breathing and shit like I do, just being normal, yeah, I would get somebody that has skinnier arms, or figure out a way to do that without like cutting yourself all up, you know. So I want to thank EJ for all his help today, and tell you guys comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. We're close to 200 subs, which is really cool. I'm shocked and amazed at how we're growing. And I plan on, now that the weather's getting better, doing more videos. And maybe you'll see EJ doing more stuff. You know, he's got to learn. All right, so you guys take care. Be safe. Keep on mini trucking.